3-liter EcoDiesel. Alrighty, you know what the complaint is? Long crank time, as well as hard starting. Okay, y'all know this is a whole different setup than a damn Pentastar or a Hemi. This is neither one of them. First thing we're gonna do is run a scan on it, see what kind of codes we got. But keep in mind, keep that complaint in mind. What was it? Long crank time and what else?
It's a hard crank.
Hard crank?
Yeah, that's what it was. So
hard crank? What's a hard crank? What hard crank mean?
So like when it's cranking up and it doesn't feel smooth and it doesn't automatically start. Like, you know, after a few seconds it cranks, holds the crank, and it feels rough before it actually does start, so to speak.
What's the difference? That differs from long crank time? What's a long crank time?
That's basically
right, as it says, as it states. Take a long time to start, but it does crank.
Yeah.
See which one?
So
if you was a customer and took it to the shop, what would you tell them? What would your complaint be?
That's a long crank.
Long crank time.
Long crank. Yeah. So that, and then it's got a light up for the electronic throttle body.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's scan this thing. It's the computer in there? The part in there? Let's go to the computer. Go to PCM. Let's see. Remember, yellow means trouble code in that box, in that module. Go back to the topology. Let me show you something right quick. All right, hover over any box, because you always asking what's the name of it. You see how that?
Frequency hub.
Yeah.
Body control.
Do each one of them and get a sense for the names.
Driver door module.
Yeah, they give them 3-letter acronyms. But if we got a check engine light on, the main one we interested in it.
It did say that the parking sensor, front parking sensor was malfunctioning.
It's got a code in it.
Yeah, backup light was out too, and then it's got a tail light out or brake light out. So,
okay, we had a check engine light on?
Yeah.
All right, go to DTC.
Okay. Particulate matter sensor circuit and crankshaft position sensor.
Yeah, look at that bottom one. Think that would cause long crank time?
Absolutely.
Well, you in the environment data. Go back. That ain't nothing gonna tell you nothing there.
What if I go to details?
I mean, what we need to just see what's the fault code. We see that, but yes, that will definitely cause. And I think this is the one where the transmission have to come out because the sensor is behind it. You want to see what the diagnostic procedure? Click the arrow. There we go. Oh, so there's some go to that start case, this crank case right here. I guarantee you they want us to crank no start. We start. You may receive a vehicle in with crank or no start. Upon further blah 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 crank. Scroll down. If you receive a vehicle with the condition above, please perform the following repair before proceeding. Use a Y-Tech, observe the actual. Alright, follow those instructions. And let's see what happens. Yeah, the crank sensor. So let's go to crank sensor data. Let's read the crank sensor. We're gonna start it up. If it says 0 while you cranking, that sensor just not putting out, not doing its thing. Crank sensor input data. Do engine speed. Engine speed. That's what. So you're gonna go crank it up while I watch this and see how fast or how much it moves. If it moves right away, if there's a delay in it moving, yeah, this crank sensor just bad.
If it's delay?
Yeah, like while you cranking, I should see a number. That's where the engine gets its RPM from.
Yeah. All right.
Oh yeah, signal from. Yeah, it was like a 5. Do it again. Okay, hold on. Let it go down to 0. Key on. All right, fire it up. 1, 2. Yeah. About a 3-second delay. As soon as the numbers hit, the car starts. It should be a signal right away. Now hit it. All right. Yeah, it's a major delay. That crank sensor probably broke. Ladies and gentlemen, we need a crank sensor. All right, let me see if I can sell this. Remember, the transmission do have to be removed to make such a critical diagnosis. Now, we have some other things to check. We're gonna check the air filter, let it up in the air. Whew, thank goodness this ain't a dually.
Yeah.
Cause I don't think this lift can handle it. Yeah, we gotta get it up in the air. Look over the rest of the stuff.
Alright.
Oh man. Ugh. Yeah. Dang. It could be the water pump slinging coolant. That's why.
Possibly.
Yeah, we need to put pressure on it. See if it rears its ugly head more fully. Cause this is why you should let the vehicle up and look it over, guys. Huh?
I was to say,
This was a 6.7. That damn water pump would be fairly easy, but we couldn't get that. Like, yeah, and this look like it'll show right up as soon as you put pressure on it.
and look right here where the oil cooler is. Right there. All that. Oh, that's
Oh,
right
yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Right down here. So, yeah, it's.
Let's put some pressure on it and see.
Yeah, these is.
See, I want to see how you hook that up.
Where's the?
That's the old school. Yeah, the new ones, everybody got those air operated ones.
Yeah.
I'm old school. I still got the old.
Yeah.
But I want to see how you about to hook that up.
Cause I don't see the radiator cap.
First of all, is any pressure on it?
Well, I was gonna see.
Squeeze the hoses.
The hoses. I mean, I'll just usually kind of just.
Oh,
let's
come
cool
on,
it
man!
away and let it out and
You trying to see if it? Psh.
That's what I do.
I
Though.
mean, it's so much easier to just grab that upper hose
Alright, I got you.
and see if there's any pressure on it.
I guess a little bit, but it's. Hold on.
It ain't enough to blow up, is it?
No, but.
We trying to live around here. I got things to do tomorrow.
Nah, I got you.
And she got a Halloween event coming up. Nobody got time to be dying right now. Get the damn thing. I want to see how you hook this up.
I want to see if this one fits. This one, does it?
Look at that, man. There's threads on that.
Oh, you damn right. Hold on.
Yeah, observe. You could have split this or cracked that. Look at you. Look around first and then look at that. And
All right.
I just like shoving things in holes, so.
I mean, who doesn't?
Yeah, obviously you need an adapter.
Yeah. Do you? Okay, you got one? Because I know
in my toolbox. But
yeah.
hopefully that leak will render its ugly head.
It might.
Huh?
Let me see if this will fit. Let me see. Does this one fit?
Oh, that's standard.
That's standard.
Yeah, go down and turn.
There we go. I think. Yep. There we go. Boom.
Pump it up. Yeah, the red is dangerous.
Oh yeah,
so.
no, I don't go like that.
Any drips on the ground? Cause you might have to let it up and get a better look while it's under pressure. Go all the way to the red though.
Yeah. I just went as far as I could until it got like, until it basically stopped.
Ooh. Is that what I'm hearing? Shh. You can see it like right up in there, but see, that's why I hate when these leaks don't rear their ugly head. Then you go off of whatever is in that area,
Let me see.
and you could be wrong.
Yeah.
We're gonna let it up in there right quick. Ooh.
Alright, let's see here. What we got? Oh,
Not one single damn drip.
not a damn thing, which is odd.
Okay, do that water pump look new? Cause did they just replace it and it's just residual? I don't even see.
I'm sitting here looking. I'm looking at two. I want to say this looked like the water pump right here.
Yeah,
So I thought it was this, but I think it's actually this.
Sometimes you can run them under pressure
Yeah.
and the leak will show up. Oh, I see a drip. I see a drip getting ready to come down. See right over there under that,
Under the water pump?
well, actually, it looked like, I'm pretty much convinced, that's the water pump and that little tube under that turbo. My light just went out, but I see a little small drip forming on the top end of that water pump. So we're gonna go with the water pump as well as the crankshaft sensor. Now the transmission will have to be dropped for the crank sensor because I'm gonna need that wheel, that reluctant wheel, or that tone. They got a funky name for that. I'm gonna need the wheel and the sensor. Okay, the only way you can replace that is the transmission have to be dropped. So as far as the coolant leak go, we're gonna go with a water pump and that a seal, that O-ring, and a crank sensor. All right, it's your boy JT the car guy, 3-liter diesel, Ram 1500. This thing got a lot of miles on it too. Yeah, yeah. So let me write this estimate up and we'll see what happens, man. Y'all stay tuned.